and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I like to make jewelry, and in this channel I'll share how I make it, and obviously I share what I use to make it as well. But today we are making something absolutely gorgeous, and it is this bracelet. Look at this. It's so cute, so cute. I love the colors, I like the type and everything. I just love it. I think it's really cute. And the things that I am going to use are, actually I'm not going to use that many different colors because then we may get confused. I will just use 3 colors. So I'm going to use 3 colors. I'm going to take the pink one, pink, white and silver. And these are, the beads are miyuki beads. I think they're called delica and they're size A/0. Then I have scissors, some pliers. Then I'm using this thread. It actually came with this tool that I will be using to make the bracelet. It's like this. This is where I'm gonna put the strings on. So I will link the whole complex where you get the tool and then you get the thread and also the needle inside. So this is another thing that I'm going to use. And then I have a mat, and then I have just some closures. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put the thread on this tool. And the way I do it, you need to look at how many rows you have in the middle, because obviously these side ones don't count. So you look at the middle ones, and I'm gonna have 3 beads there, which means I'm gonna need to take 4 strings. And we take the strings just long enough so we can like tie them at the ends. So I would say about 40 centimeters, and we take 4 of them. Okay, so I have just got 4 strings, and what I'm gonna do is take one side of the nail and just wrap it around, and then just make a knot there. In that tool box there is actually like description how you need to do it and everything, so you can have a look in there. And I'm just like making 3 knots. And then once you have done that, you take all the 4 strings and you just like separate them. I will show it to you in a second. Like this. And then you go to the other side and you separate each again. And then you wrap it around the other side and do the same. Just make like quite a few knots just to make sure that it's really tight. Okay, and once you have done that, we take the needle and we take the string, where did it go? And take quite a bit, because you're gonna need quite a bit, but I think at any point you can just tie it up and just continue making the bracelet, which I did. And then you just put it through the needle. And now we're just gonna take the end that we put on the needle and just tie it to one side. Just so it holds in place. And now I'm gonna take 3 white beads and 1 silver bead and put them all on the needle. Like so. I skip the silver bead and then I put the needle through the 3 white beads. And this is how it looks. And now we're gonna take, to do this pattern, I'm just gonna do the 3 silver beads now. And I just put 3 silver beads. And now, once they are on, I'm going to take the needle and put it from below to the other side, through the under to the other side. So now you take again 3 white beads and 1 silver bead. And now we skip the silver bead again and we take the 3 white beads and we put the needle through. Like we did in the beginning. And now you need to put the silver beads in its own part. And you can kind of hold it with your finger from the bottom. And then you take the needle and you put the needle through the 3 silver beads, but like from the top. And then once you pull it, this is how it looks. And now we take the 3 white beads again, one silver bead, skip the silver bead and put the needle through the 3 white beads. And now we take 1 silver bead, 1 bead that we're going to use for the flower, and 1 more silver bead. And then we take the needle and we go through the bottom again to the other side. And then we take the 3 white beads again. One silver bead. Then we skip the silver and put the needle through the white beads. And then we take the 3 beads in the middle and sort of put them in each home. And then we take the needle and put through the top, through the 3 beads in the middle. And then you just pull it. I think the beginning is the hardest part, to be honest, but it's actually not that hard. And now we take 3 white beads again, or whatever colors you actually use, 1 silver bead, and then we drag it down, put the needle through the white beads, then we take 3 pink beads, or the beads that you use for the flower, put the needle through the bottom, take again 3 white beads, 1 silver bead, skip the silver, put the needle through back the 3 white beads, and then we take the 3 pink beads and just put them through like their home between each of the threads, and we put the needle through. You know that thread in the beginning that we tied? I'm just kind of like putting it with one of the threads on the side and just sort of like hiding it. It just kind of like hangs around on the side. And now we go to do the same thing again. You just take 3 white beads, and now you can start, I think, seeing the pattern, like that it's like the same thing all the time. So it's not hard at all. It just takes quite some time to make it. Put the 3 beads on and the silver, put the needle through the white beads, take 1 pink bead, 1 silver bead, or whichever bead you're going to use for the middle of the flower, and pink again. Go through the bottom, take 3 white beads, 1 silver, go back through the white beads, put the middle beads in its separate part, and then put the needle back. I will put on the screen like the video that I did before. It's like much easier, it's without the sides, so if you want to, you know, learn that first, you're very welcome to go and check that out. I need to clean up this mess. Okay, and I only got these white beads, so I can only do it like a couple more times. So I put 3 beads, 1 silver, then put the needle through the white beads, then we take 3 pink beads, or the ones that you use for the flowers, go through the bottom, take another 3 white beads, 1 silver, put the needle back through the white, put the pink beads between the strings, put the needle back through from the top, and just pull it. And this is how it looks, and you just keep going like that. And now you would need to put one silver, one the flower bead, and another silver bead, and then you just start the pattern again, which is like this. You can have, I don't know, take a screenshot or something, and that's it. As I said, I don't have any white beads anymore, and I don't want to destroy this bracelet. But that's how you keep going. I will now actually show you a video how I finished this bracelet when I put the ends on and stuff. I will see you in a second. Okay, now that I have finished the bracelet, all I need to do is cut it off from the tool and just put the closures on. And I just take it somewhere around here, just cut it off, and do the same on the other side. And now I just take the closures, I'll move this out of the way, and just put them on. I have this fold over crimp band, just put all the threads inside, fold down the sides, just squeeze it very, very tight. If you get like really good quality closures, it will be much better, so the threads are not coming out. And then you can just cut off the loose ends. Do the same on the other side. And now you just take the jump ring, pull obstacle on, or whichever closure you want to use. I think there's like spring ring and different types, and just put them on. And now do jump ring on the other side. And this is your bracelet done. So cute. I will put it on my wrist and show it to you. This is actually so pretty, and these bits like move like this. Oh wow, I'm actually really proud of myself with this one. So cute. And obviously, you know, as I said, you can mix and match any colors you like, but really pretty. It did take me some time to make it, but I think it's well worth it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.